as a soul come. This is really a book.
We lost Memo from SIB Music. From MGM to announce SIB Music. Well, this is one of our concerts, of our annual concerts. Remember, if you guys remember watching the youth concert. So now, Sine is a youth awareness concert, which raises awareness in HIV and AIDS. Because we know with MMD we are avoiding, they are avoiding preaching evangelism, including our excluding making you aware in HIV and AIDS. Whether we AIDS or whether we cancer, at the end of the day, we are not in band. So now I'm hoping with my concert is already realized to the next stage. The awareness is already a bit more after the concert. With the AIDS and HIV is there, whether you know it or you don't. Whether it was partying so let us pray ukuthi ngafiki ngakithi. Let us be aware sikulamehlo ukuthi ekuziphatheni kwethu okuhle ingabi khona something that dent our behavior, dent impilo zethu. Cela ukuthi sithi sina from SIB Music after this concert we hope after the speakers have spoken in HIV, after the speakers have raised issues about HIV AIDS. HIV sekuphelile ukuthi ube one umuntu otsakane ngakho HIV AIDS. It's too spread now. In the community, baningi abantu ababula ingculaza. Ihambe ngokuthi akuso anti ka-anti ohambe ingculaza ekhayeni kuphela. So kuba even your brother or your sister, seyiseduze kakhulu bazalwane. Let us open our ears. I-concert ingabi ngomqulo kuphela. Thina si-youth yithi esi-affecteka kakhulu nge-HIV and AIDS. May ukuthi nibe sengenile kule concert senazile ama-speakers senibonile lokho in what you're donating towards the AIDS, the hospice. Basically, we are aware more in HIV and AIDS. Ngicela bese niyamnyelela in this concert ni enjoy umculo omnandi and the speakers. Siyabonga.